And my name is Johannes, and my team will show you how you can do both. Prepare for the exam and play a game simultaneously. So please welcome the team from the chair for plant usage.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone and welcome to Plants team. This is Hafiz and I'm Jitendra. We'll be presenting about our cool app that can be used for learning plants. So let me introduce with our wonderful team. So this is our team with our customer Professor Duthweiler at the center. And we have divided our team into two sub-teams, one for quiz game that deals mostly with learning about properties of the plants, and next for applying that knowledge for growing plants successfully. So let me explain how we came up with the project idea through the visionary scenario. Has anyone tried to plant something? Anyone? Okay, no one. Someone. Even me, I tried to plant, but now my plant looks like this. I tried to water it properly, but even then it's dead now. Actually, it doesn't matter for us, but for landscape architect, it's their job to remember all the necessary conditions to grow the plant successfully. They should know about the right condition of the soil, right condition of the light, and then the right place to grow the plant successfully. And it's easy to remember, let's say 5 or 10 plants. But what if you have to remember 50 or 100 number of plants? So that's a problem. But we have a solution for that. We have developed an app that contains all the relevant information for growing the plant successfully. And this is not based on the traditional approach of learning from the books, but more in a funny and a gamified way, and even helping students to secure good grades in their exam. So now, what are the high-level requirements of our app? The most important high-level requirement is it should be able to prepare a student for the exams. And since many students, they speak in many different languages, the app should be localized in many different languages. And it should be supportive for many devices as well. And since it is a game, it should be entertaining as well, entertaining and funny. And the game should have many levels of difficulties. Likewise, the game should adapt according to the learning process of the user. And it should give a sense of competition among the users. So that was our high-level requirements. And about the quiz game, we had discussed more about the quiz game during the design review, but now we'll be focusing more on simulation app. But still, I would like to show some of the progress that we had made till now. So when we start our quiz game, we can select options for recognizing plants, and even we can practice for the exam mode using proofing option, and which is time limited. And then we'll be redirected to the second screen where we can select our interested topic like trees or hops and multiple categories within it. And then it will redirect to the question screen where we can have the immediate feedback on the top when we answer right or wrong. And then the last one is statistics screen where it shows the strength and weakness of the students on particular topic so that they can improve on the topic in which they are weak. So that's all about the quiz game. And now let's have some fun. Let's grow some plant.
Hey, Paul.
Hey.
How's it going?
Not so good. I mean, take a look at my garden. It's dead. I tried everything, different plants, watering them. I just don't know what to do.
Well, you know what? I actually found this really cool app recently. It's called Sprout. And it's a game where you basically...
Your micro?
It's unmuted. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay. So I found this really cool game, which is basically you have this planet, which is dead, similar like your garden, you know?
Yeah, I see the similarities.
And, you know, you can look around the planet
and zoom in, and then you can plant trees. It teaches you how to plant trees.
Okay, and what are these colors here everywhere?
Well, you see, there's like different things. There's different like living areas, like there's riverbeds and marshes and forests. And then you have different lighting conditions, like you have sunny places, or here you have a more shady place. And then in the soil, you can see like different attributes, like whether it's a wet soil or a dry soil or fresh soil. And the color below tells you which kind of pH level it has, like if it's acidic, basic, or neutral.
Okay, cool.
So you know what we could do? We could actually just plant some trees in your garden and try to nap and see if they grow or not. You want to do that?
Sure.
Okay, so select a tree.
Yeah, this one looks great.
Acer tobenius.
Yeah, I have this one here.
Oh, okay, cool. So let's
Where should I plant it?
I think Acer tobenius likes acidic places.
So here?
No, more to the left.
Here?
No, the other left, Paul.
Oh.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
there it be.
that one looks good. Let's plant it here.
I'm Acer tobenius. Yay!
Do you want to plant another tree?
Sure.
Okay.
What's about this one here?
What is it called? Acer pronopium. Okay. Do you have one of those?
I'm not sure. I have another one, but what do you think?
Yeah, I think close enough.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just let's plant it next to the other one.
Okay, let's
So it's
plant
not
it.
alone.
Yeah.
Yo, what's up?
Leave me alone.
Okay.
So do you have to wait like for a couple of years until they are fully grown?
Well, no, because that would just take too long. So here in the app, you can just simulate the next year. So you just press the next year button, and then your trees grow. But you know
Cool.
what's even more important is I once read an article on Wikipedia, so it's very legit, that you have to show love to your trees. The more you love your trees, the bigger and better they grow. So you know what? Just go and hug your trees, please.
Are you kidding me?
No, just try it. Come on, Paul. Just try it. Hug your trees. Show them some love.
Yay!
The other one as well.
No.
Okay.
And then you can just keep on growing your trees. See? And now your trees are fully grown.
Yeah, but this one in here looks dead to me.
Wait, what? Oops. I think we planted that one on the wrong soil.
I trusted you. You were the chosen one.
Okay. Don't panic. Don't panic. You know what we can do? We can just remove it.
Okay.
And then we replant it somewhere else. So let's
Which
see.
spot?
I think Acer pronopium likes a dry, basic soil.
Oh, I have this one here.
Yeah.
Just move it over here.
Yeah. And Paul,
Yeah.
please go hug your trees again.
Yeah.
Yay!
Yay!
So now your garden is greener, as you can see, and your trees are happy. So yay!
Thank you.
Thank you. That was a really cool demo, guys. So as now you all have seen what our app does, let's dive deeper into some technical details. So the basic idea behind our app is that we have a planet which is unfortunately in a dying state. So the only way to save the planet is to make it green again. So the more trees you plant, the more greener it becomes. And the final goal is to make it fully green in a certain amount of time. The planet is further divided into multiple living areas like cities, rivers, lakes, mountains, etc. And each living area is further divided into multiple tiles. A tile is basically a piece of land where you can actually grow your plant, and it has some basic properties like humidity, pH value, and lighting conditions. In order to make a tree really grow, these conditions must be compatible with the tree, otherwise it will die, like you have seen with that. So we have a happy meter that shows you whether a tree was planted correctly or not, and how much it contributes toward the green meter. The happier the tree, the more it contributes and help you win the game. So that's enough for the game. Now let's move toward the status. For the simulation app, I'm happy to announce that we have completed the simulation app with the easy difficulty level. So you can plant your trees, you can hug them, or you can chop them down, just have fun. And due to time restriction, we are unable to do the different difficulty levels and different planets. Similarly, with the quiz app, we have implemented a single player mode with all the fancy animation, with all the statistic analysis, and with all the adaptation patterns. And again, due to time restriction, we are unable to do the multiplayer mode. So that's conclude our presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a great evening. And of course, happy planting.
So thank you very much, team. You really did a great job. But now let's ask the customer, do you have any questions, Professor Duttweiler?
Thank you very much for this very funny presentation, and thank you very much for the last weeks and months. It was very nice to work with you, and I've much fun, and it was very nice with you. And I've just one question. Is the technical part, the technical development ready? Is it possible to put it in an app store, and is it possible for our students to take the app and to learn with it?
Yes, I would like to answer that. The game logic and the gameplay is totally ready. We only need to implement a solution where you can live enter data into the game, so you don't have to put the game on the Apple Store again. So all the rest is ready.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.